Welcome back to English Power Hour. Hi, my name is Shelley, and today we're going to learn how to use the phrase on the go. So let's get right to it. In this video, I will teach you how to use the phrase on the go so that you are able to use it easily and fluently. The meaning of on the go is that you are in a hurry, traveling around and being busy. In other words, you are very energetic and active. For example, laptops are terrific for people on the go who need their technology and business to go with them. Or, my mobile phone gives me the ability to purchase cinema tickets on the go. Or, Californians are well known for an on-the-go lifestyle. On the go is used as an adjective and it has many different meanings. It is synonymous for busy, on the move, immersed in, hard at work, or working, with the meaning of very active or very busy and moving often. For example, he was always on the go, thinking up ideas on how to make $1 to help the family. As an adjective, it can also be synonymous to taking place, begun, commenced, or developing, with the meaning of in progress, currently taking place. For example, a new initiative is on the go to clean up this iconic building. Also, as an adjective, it can be synonymous for traveling, wandering, roaming, on the move, or moving, with the meaning of traveling in search of adventure. For example, James is always on the go. You never know what country he is in. Okay, my wonderful students, I hope that you are able to use on the go correctly in your next English conversation. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I really do appreciate it. So have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next lesson. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Mwah.